Welcome back. September has been a busy month in Talon Preserve construction, and with summer ended, we're taking to the sunset skies for another look around. There's lots to see, so let's get right out to the end of Talon Preserve Drive. More homes have finally closed on Talon Preserve Drive. As I record this voiceover, all 3 homes at the end down on the right have closed, and work continues feverishly on the other homes, with almost every lot progressing rapidly. We filmed this on Thursday, September 23rd, 2021. The shadows are longer and the light a little more golden now as we went even closer to sunset than the Labor Day video. With summer now ended, the sun is getting lower in the sky faster. As we head into the site for the Amenity Center, you can see the blocks now going up with mortar into walls to form the clubhouse, and the concrete slab is now in place for the bathhouse as well. The clubhouse block stacking is taking a little longer than a single-family home, reflecting complexity of this larger multi-purpose building. And there ahead and to the left is the Eagle's Nest Preserve. The Eagles have been away since June, but we hope they'll be back soon. We'll switch again to a top-down overhead view for another pass over the clubhouse, and then we'll orbit about a bit to get a good overview of the whole site. You can make out the outline of specific areas within the clubhouse now, as all 4 walls at the fitness center on the right have risen the quickest. You can see the slab for the 2-section bathhouse as well. You can also see additional blocks and other construction materials stacked near the front of the site. Oh, and there's Vince's dumpster pad. Next, we'll come in from behind the Amenity Center site and get a look at the south end of Eagle Branch Drive and the 4 home sites there. One is now closed and another should close soon. We'll head north up Eagle Branch here and then across the circle and up the rest of Eagle Branch. Along Eagle Branch, there have been more closings as well, with 7 homes on this section closed now, and a few more coming soon in just the next week or so. We'll continue down Eagle Branch into Phase 2. There are now 5 document boxes up at lots out here, 3 more than before with all 3 graded for work. And work has even started on Eagle Branch for a place for mailboxes out here, with pavers going in just after this was filmed. As always, consider subscribing and clicking that like button to see more videos like this. As we fly out further, you can see that another section of Eagle Branch is beginning early prep for eventual paving. This is the furthest reach of Phase 2 shown on the current community map, and this section of road will connect to the new construction entrance onto Honore Avenue out here. And there's the work underway on the new construction entrance. We'll turn around and head back through Phase 2 over Eagle Branch to Winding Pine Drive and then to Little Eagle Loop. Here you can see that one lot on Winding Pine has its slab poured already, and another on Little Eagle has plumbing in and is ready for slab. You can also see that all this newly paved roadway makes for great cycling for our existing residents. From up at this height, you can see how much digging is necessary to build some of these lakes. Heavy equipment has been in this lake digging for weeks now. We'll head back into Phase 1 over Grand Talon Lane, aka Model Row, where we have noted that 2 of the villas display private residence signs indicating they've sold and closed. And now we're over Crested Eagle Lane, which is the most complete street with at least 15 total homes closed so far. 7 homes in a row are closed back on the right. By the way, by our unofficial count as of 9/25/21, at least 34 or 35 homes have closed throughout the community, and about half of that has been in August and September alone. Finally, we'll finish off over Mossy Pine Court, where 2 villa buildings are framed and under roof, and one has begun its stucco finish. Plus there's one in blocks and another in slab. And that's it for today, so we'll just fly off into the sunset. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!